What's the meaning of cloze test? Cloze test. Cloze test.
Cloze test. Cloze test. A cloze test is a type of language assessment where words are removed from a passage and replaced with gaps. Test takers need to fill in the blanks with suitable words, based on their understanding of the context. This kind of evaluation measures one's ability to understand the meaning of a text and recognize syntactic and semantic relationships between words. The result of a cloze test reflects a person's reading comprehension skills, vocabulary knowledge, and grammatical proficiency. It's commonly used in language education and can be an effective tool to improve one's language abilities.